Daily exercise is one of the best things you can do for your body. Do you want to lose weight at your comfort home? Or feeling tired after work to head to the gym? There are numerous health benefits come with a treadmill in your home. Running on a treadmill can be better than running outdoors and has many other advantages. Here are 10 benefits of treadmill exercises. 1. Weight loss. Running a treadmill will help you lose weight quickly. Running is safer for weight loss than aerobic workouts like cycling. If you run 6 miles in an hour, you can burn 600 calories. 2. You can control your run. On a treadmill, you can control all aspects to suit your fitness level. It's great for all fitness levels because you can customize the workout to your liking. Most treadmills also come with programmable capabilities to customize your run to the exact minute, kilometer, and speed as well. This is thanks to fitness trackers and heart rate monitoring that many models come with now, which are great to see the progress you make over a period of time. 3. Can stimulate your next marathon. It can help you train for your next big race or ultra-long marathon. You can control a treadmill speed and tilt, and that's really handy for race day. Some newest treadmill models come with advanced race simulation tools. You can practically compensate for any hill in your way months before you actually have to run the course. 4. Mental health. It will help your brain function better, be safer, and make you feel much happier. Running and aerobic exercises cause your brain to release more endorphins. Endorphins are the chemical compounds released by your brain that makes you happy. Being able to control the way you run is also a big motivating factor. Plus, you can listen to music, read a book, or even watch TV on your treadmill. Finding the motivation to run was never easier thanks to the many options treadmills offer. 5. Heart health. Regular running is great for cardiovascular health. It increases your body's blood circulation, reducing blood pressure. It also decreases bad cholesterol, increasing good cholesterol. Most treadmills come with a cardiac monitor to keep a close eye on the heart rate. It can go a long way in preventing heart disease and the risk of a cardiac arrest. 6. Treadmills are efficient, safe, private. Running a treadmill is much better than running outdoors. You don't risk being hit by a car while on the sidewalk or road. You can work out easily at any time of the day and even watch TV while doing it. This is particularly true for women vulnerable to abuse while running alone. It's really convenient to own a treadmill because you're not going to the gym. 7. Reduced impact. Exercising regularly is one of the best things for the body. Running on a treadmill is easier than running on street or other surfaces. Numerous health benefits come with your home treadmill. 8. Muscle building. Running uses the muscles, of course, which means building the same muscles. The more you run, the more your leg muscles build up. Depending on how you exercise, say flexing your abdominal muscles, you could also increase your core strength. 9. Improve joint flexibility. Joint flexibility is important to stay mobile, particularly when you're old age. Running on a treadmill decreases the possibility of flexibility limiting conditions. This may also prevent degenerative bone diseases, arthritis, and other disorders. 10. Easy to use. Treadmills are easy to use and require virtually no setup or startup effort. All you need to do is press some control panel buttons, select the settings you want, and start running. Use a treadmill will reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and related health issues. Treadmills are secure, private, convenient, and user-friendly. You can improve muscle strength and stamina. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.